like 1 liter of oil per 2,000 kilometers. Hi everyone, my motorbike here, I bought it on the 28th of June last year. I ride like a little bit more than 56,000 kilometers on it, but now a big problem in there. So a little bit of sands go in there in the engine, but just like dust, not big grain, but dust for like two days. And now the motorbike pump oil, it's like 1 liter of oil per 2,000 kilometers. So I will need to do work on it. So it looks like it will be a top end. So I will have to change the cylinder because the axle it's full of scratch maybe, and the piston and the ring also. So I will give you a follow-up on that. Time to reassemble the engine. So the status of the engine, I changed the cylinder, pistons and ring. I changed the 2 intake valves, the gaskets, the rocker arm, the spark plugs, and the bolt to screw on the head. So everything is in there. I can't wait to see this guy running again. Is the first start of my motorbike after the top end full rebuild. So my friend is coming because I have no idea how to start that. So faites ça. On ferme ça. Ouais. Ça doit être de même. Il faut que tu colles ensemble. Bon. On va essayer. Ah, c'est ça. C'est bien fait, hein? Il me dit mon tabarnak. Donc c'est pas bon. Ça me va, là? Voilà. Il y a du gaz. Ouais, je comprends. On l'entend. Oh, on est dans la vapeur de gaz, c'est cool. C'est cool, c'est pas grave de là. Oh, il y a bien de temps. On va la montée. Ok, bon. Clé. Ça, c'est pour se tenter, mais l'arrêt d'urgence, c'est quoi, c'est ça? Oh, ouais. Comme ça? Oui. C'est beau. Il faut trop connaître ça avant, hein? On y va. C'est normal. Il y a bien du gaz et de l'huile. Peut-être d'autres choses. T'as pas un fil qui est pas plugué à quelque part de rien? Non. Bon, mais là, One month later, near 6,000 kilometers done on the motorbike with the new top end and with the timing fixed. So I drive like 800 kilometers with the timing 1T top, and it was hard to start because of that. And when I put back the chain at the right position, everything works fine. So I will let you hear how easy that guy start. Okay, so I will start the engine now. Works super fine. It goes super nice, and it takes like normal oil. I will say maybe a cup per 5,000 kilometers. So everything is fine. So thank you guys.